Welcome once again, Kasrambaw, sa car review natin. Tayo nga pala sa Toyota Mabolo, Cebu City for letting us review their cars. For any inquiries, you can call or text Golda Marie Agas on her mobile phone. This is the 2025 Toyota Light Ace 1.5 FX Utility Van MT. 747K to, Cebu City price ha. December promo is 69,000 based on 15% down payment. 48 months is 20,814.30 and 60 months is 17,584.33. Airbags is driver and front passenger. Brakes is regular brakes, walang ABS. Features is electronic power steering. Dito sa harap, dalawa ang grille, taas at baba. Kita ang dalawang window washer. Chrome Toyota logo. Matte. Window type grille. Walang mga fog lamps. Then maliliit na window type sa baba. Headlights is multi-reflector, halogen. Dito sa gilid, steel rims, silver. Tires is 175 R14 Dunlop. Side pillar type antenna. May side mirrors, manual folding, and manual adjust. Matte doorknob, pag unlock, di susi. Windows dito, malaki, dalawa. Front suspension is McPherson strut. Rear is slip spring. Front brake is ventilated disc. And rear is drum type. Gas ng cover, di susi, nasa baba ng passenger side. Dito sa likod, plain, chrome doorknob. May light ace decals. Matte. Taillights, halogen. Isa lang ang backlight. Plate light. Then spare tire sa ilalim. Buksan natin yung likod. Space sa likod. Malaki. For loading talaga. Chrome doorknob. Old style door lock. Maliit na grab handle. Barrel bolt, hilahin lang para mabuksan. At saka din to. Hawakan ng pasahero. Blower. Hawakan sa kabila. Upuan pwedeng matupi. 4. Door panels is dark gray and blue-gray combination. Body color. Old style door lock. Ito, plasticky. May dot design. Matte doorknob. Manual window. Paikot-ikot pagbukas. Maliit na door handle. Synthetic leather. Speaker. Hand grip. Hand grip din. Sa driver side door panel is the same dark gray and blue-gray combination. Body color. Old style door lock. Manual window. Paikot-ikot pagbukas. Ito, plasticky. May dot design. Matte doorknob. Solid bulky na door handle. Synthetic leather. Speaker. Hand grip. Dito wala. Steering wheel is fixed. Plastic. Visor design. Malagyan. Cup holder. Aircon vents. Walang stability off. Then hood lever. Upuan is fabric. May design sa gitna, hanggang taas, dugtong ang headrest. Ito adjustment sa sandalan. Ito for front and back. View sa likod. For spoke steering wheel, urethane. Dash is analog temperature, speedometer. May maliit na display sa gilid. Infotainment is Toyota 2-DIN via 2 speakers with Bluetooth, USB, and auxiliary ready. Manual dial type aircon. Doom lights, halogen. Sun visor with ticket clip sa driver side. Sun visor sa passenger side. Rotary type ignition switch. Dash mounted tranny. Lagayan ng coins. 12-volt socket dito. Manual handbrake. Passenger na upuan is fabric. Ito adjustment sa sandalan. Ito for front and back. Plastic. SRS airbag. Air vents. Adjust knob. Cup holder. Malagyan. Glove box. Ang engine niya is a 1.5 4-cylinder inline 16-valve dual overhead cam with dual VVTi gasoline engine. Max output is 98 PS. Max torque is 134 Nm of torque. Transmission is 5-speed manual dash mounted. Fuel tank capacity is 43 liters. So that's it mga kasarambao. Thank you sa panonood. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Support Visayan Vlogger hanggang sa muli. Paalam and peace. Thank you!